there is no 10 again that looks like 10x. So we shall repeat that. Then that's what y. This y here is having an exponent 1. It is never equal to this y's or this y. So we shall repeat this singular y. Then you realize that 3y squared plus 15y will give us 18y squared. So 3y squared plus 15y squared will give you 18y squared. So in all, we are just adding the numerical part and repeating the variable. Then minus 10x plus our y. Plus our y. So that is the result. Then I want you to solve this for me. Do you solve it? When you are done, you give me the answer to write so that we analyze it. All right, solve that question for me quickly. Yeah, all right, beautiful. Yes. Do you have an answer for us? Who has gotten the answer?
Yeah, Clonam, talk.
Negative 11x.
What? Negative 7x.
11x.
Negative 11x, yes.
Minus 3y plus 2.
Plus 2. Okay. And we all have the same answer?
Fafali.
Yes.
Let's have Fafali talk.
The answer is the same.
Okay, your answer is the same. Fafali, I say your answer is the same?
Yes.
So
answer is not the same.
Answer no. No one should talk. What is your answer?
Negative 11 plus 3y.
Negative 11 plus
3y
plus
plus 2. Plus 2.
Plus 2. And who is giving us this answer? Your name? All right. Now, I said you have to group. I said you have to group like things. You realize that this is X and this is also X. They have the same exponent, so they are alike. So they are like things. So we can group them. This one is already existing here. So we write 4x, and the one that we want to pair with this is negative. It's negative 15x. So we bring it here to become negative 15x. Then you see the next term, which is negative 3y. Negative 3y is not having a like term in the expression. So we shall repeat that. So it is negative 3y. And plus 1, 2. Then we can simplify this because they are like terms. We can simplify this further. So 4x minus 15x will give us a negative 11x, then minus our 3y plus 2. And that is the best we can do because what we have here, there are no like terms in them. All right, we'd like to continue from here. Take note of this before you solve the next question for me. If I give you 4x1 and another xy, we want to examine if these terms are alike. They are alike. Now you realize that this is x variable and this is x variable. Y and y, they are multiplying, they are paired, they are together. So we can treat the whole of this as a 10. So this is like xy, it's a 10. And then we have another one here, xy, which is also a 10. The x can be compared to the x and the y to the y. So if you compare the x to the x, you realize that they are like variables with same exponents. And these y are also aligned and having the same exponent. Therefore, these terms are like terms. They are like terms. They are alike. So we can add them or we can subtract them.
It's 11 a.m. Facebook, David Mark.
All right, do that work for me. Solve that question for me quickly.
Sir, please, is that M?
It's what?
Is that variable M?
Yes, it's M. Let me write it well for you. So we have evaluate 3mx minus 4x minus nx. It's n.
Sir, please, I'm done.
Okay, can you give us your answer?
I had 2mx minus 4x.
Minus 4x. Okay, beautiful. All right, we can talk about this answer. So you compare it with your.
What is no more showing? The board. The board. The board.
So we have our answer to be, the question we are solving is 3mx minus 4x minus nx. Now, solving this question, you realize that this is mx, this is also mx, they are like terms, so we can group them and simplify. So grouping this, the existing term here, we maintain it to be mx, is maintained. Then we bring this one. The one you are bringing is negative. It's not just mx, it's negative. So when we move it from here, we want to change its position. It will be negative mx. And the last one that we have is negative 4x. Simplify this. When we subtract this from this, you get 2mx minus 4x. Now, although x is here and x is here, they are not alike because this is product of terms, mx. And this is just a singular x, so they are not alike. So we can see this further. So this is the kind of analysis we are doing into the algebraic expression topic. So that there is a complicated problem that is given. You can analyze them step by step this way we are doing. And I am very sure, and I want to assure you, get a good result with this. All right, to test you, I'm going to give you a mind-boggling one so that you solve for me. All right. So simplify, this is the question, simplify. Simplify 3c e exponent 5 plus 5 dc exponent 5 plus 2 plus 2 cd exponent 5 plus 3 dc exponent 5 minus 3 dc exponent 5. All right, simplify this for me.
Adam.
Can you please take your answer? What is your answer?
The answer is 5cd exponent 5. 5cd is
Come again.
plus.
Please come again, that's all of us.
5cd exponent 5.
5c
5cd exponent 5 plus 2dc exponent 5.
2dc exponent 5. All right.
Plus dc
Plus d
plus dc exponent 5.
dc exponent 5.
No.
Is that what you mean?
Is that the answer you
No.
or you want to change your mind?
Sir, yes, I want to change my mind.
Okay, all right. Yes.
I got 5cd exponent 5
Okay.
plus 3dc exponent 5.
3dc exponent 5.
Yes.
Okay.
That's all. That's all.
5cd exponent 5 plus 3dc exponent 5.
Come down, so is speaking. Come down.
Your time and give us your answer. And so what is your answer? And so what is your answer?
Please, I'm coming.
Come, I'm waiting for you.
Clonam.
Yes, sir.
With your answer. Clonam.
My answer is 5CD exponent 5 plus 3 DC exponent 5.
DC exponent 5. Is that what you
CD. No.
CD.
5CD exponent 5 plus 3CD exponent 5.
All right, let's analyze the solution together so that you can compare it.
I have a different answer.
Okay. You realize that in the expression we want to see CD. Now, do we have anything in the expression by the same arrangement, CD? Yes, we have one here, CD. So we see this and this. Now, after that, let's analyze to see if the exponents are the same. All right. You realize that this is C exponent y, D exponent 5. This is C exponent y and D exponent 5. So this and these can be simplified together. They can either be added or subtracted. And the addition is here, so we can add them. So we have 3CD exponent 5 plus 2CD exponent 5. Then let's look at the next term, which is DC. DC term is here. Another DC term. You realize that is C exponent 5, D1 and D5. So these and these are like terms. So this is plus 5 and plus 3 DC exponent 5 minus 3 DC exponent 5. So when we add this to this, we shall get 5CD exponent 5. 5CD exponent 5. Then this is 5DC plus 3DC exponent 5. So this will give us 8 DC exponent 5 minus 8 DC exponent 5. So definitely this is going to give us plus 5. Sorry, it's not 3, it's rather 1. Sorry, this is rather 1. So this is 5 DC exponent 5 plus DC exponent 5 will be 6 DC exponent 5. Then minus 3 DC exponent 5. And that will give us 3 DC exponent 5. And that should be our answer. That should be our answer. All right, the time is up for today's lesson to end. So I will wrap up and I will give you a work to do for me. All right.
They should ask question maybe some 1 hour, some 1 minute if they have anything.
I'm giving you 2 minutes to ask any question that is bothering your mind so far on the issues we have discussed about operations on algebraic expressions. Now we are on addition and subtraction. So the next time when we come, we shall tackle division and multiplication, or multiplication and division. And that will end this time. All right, do you have a question that you want to ask? What we have discussed so far? Any question? I did that. All right, since you don't have any question, I will take it that everything went well with you. Because we did pray before we started the lesson.
But the confidence is
confidence. You have a question to ask, right?
Take the piece to confidence, stop.
It's about the homework.
Is there?
Yeah. If you want to give us homework, please be from that textbook.
That should bring it.
Talk louder.
Talk louder, please. You say if I want to give homework, I should do what?
We need to be from that textbook.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay, please, is there one in front of the DC exponent 5?
Yes. This one.
Yeah, is there one in front of it?
The DC. Yeah, this one. Please, I'm talking about
Yes.
DC exponent 5.
Yes.
Yes. Normally we don't write it. Just as you were born, you started mentioning mama, mama, mama. But now you can call your mother's name by a unique name, or you can call your mother by a unique name. When we started learning mathematics, we learned that if you write 1A, we normally say it's 1A. But now 1A, 1 multiplied by anything is the same thing. So this one we assume that, or we know mathematically that there is 1 in front of the DC here. So this is just 1 of the DC exponent 5, just 1. So 1 is here. So when we add that to this, it will give us 5 DC exponent 5.
Not 6. Oh.
Not 6. No, there is no 6.
Sure. 5 plus 4 gives 6.
Yeah, so 5 plus 1 is 6, then minus 3 DC exponent 5. So that is how come we are arranging it like this for you, so that you know that I said it. So 5 DC exponent 5 plus DC exponent 5 will give you 6 DC exponent 5 minus 3 DC exponent 5. So 6 minus 3 will also give us what? 3 DC exponent 5.
Okay.
Sir.
Yes.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yes.
Yes.
Okay.
All right. So our time is up. So we prepare for social studies in the afternoon.
Yeah, you know, this one is quite interactive because this is going to carry us into the other operations. That is how come I decided to make it open, like so that at least you can ask a question I ask you, then you answer, then we can progress this way. Because this has to do with practice. Yeah, so I'm very much grateful for your cooperation. May God bless you for everything that you are doing at home and that your parents too. Our administrator would like to talk to you.
Okay. This mathematics lesson very good, and you can see that a lot of people have mathematical calculations wrong because of this basic mathematical layout. They are not able to get an understanding of these things, and they'll do a lot of mathematical calculations. When they reach here, they are wrong.
Yes.
So take this very, very serious. Take it very serious.
Yeah, in your elective mathematics and your format, the higher topics that we shall be teaching you, they all involve this simple arithmetic or algebraic analysis.
Yes.
So somebody will have the good idea, state the formula very well, but will not be able to continue because this operation is wrong for the person.
So we thank you very much for joining. Prepare yourself for the afternoon class social studies. I myself will be here to. But before we go, as usual, let us pray. Today we had an encourageable number. We have about 18 people joining this morning. So you know that we have to support the program. So do not much that we are not pushing you, we are not taking you out of the system. We understand everything. It's a time for you to also gather yourself. You will move ahead. Okay, you are are using data, you are using camera, you are using electricity, you are using computers, and everything.
Yeah, it's possible so much.
So let us